Now on to our third and final lick. We start off with the open B, and we're going to hammer from the open B onto the third fret B. Now, a hammer-on is the opposite to a pull-off, and hammer-ons are how we ascend through notes smoothly. We descend with pull-offs. A pull-off would be, you strike the higher note of a pair and pull off to sound the lower note, and the hammer-on is the opposite. So you take the lower note of the pair, you strike it, and then you hammer down to sound the higher note of the pair, the target note. So you're going to start off open B, hammer onto third fret B, open top E to open B, and then you're going to play the top E at the third fret, put out a little bluesy quarter tone bend, and then open E, third fret B. Let's put that first portion together. That's a really bluesy lick, that. Now for the next portion of the lick, and I've mixed things up a little bit here. I've included a triplet rhythm. Now, triplets are groups of three. On each beat, instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and triplets are groups of three. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you'll hear a lot of triplet phrasing when you're playing over a swung blues. Now, this might be a little bit harder for you to achieve, so I've only put 2 triplets in this figure just to mix up the rhythm and give you something to really push towards. So you start off with the open top E, play the third fret B and pull off to open, and then you're going to play the third fret B, pull off to open B again, and then play the second fret G, open G, and second fret D. So that second bar sounds like this. Okay, let's play through lick 3. Let's put it all together. 2, 3, 4.